welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming my night routine. I'm about to cook dinner. My boyfriend's on the way home from football practice. He's a football coach if you're wondering. And I'm just like, let's film a night routine that's chill and realistic because not every single night of mine or day is super productive, and that's okay. So we are just gonna get right into the video. I am feeling so unmotivated and unproductive, not productive, I don't even know. But shout out to HelloFresh tonight for providing a meal for me, sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much, because nights like this, I don't want to think about cooking. I don't want to think of a meal to cook for my boyfriend and I just want to eat and not really think about it, and HelloFresh is the perfect thing for that because everything I need is in this package right here, and it looks so good. I'm making pork meatloaf parm over spaghetti. Sounds so bomb, and it's really quick and easy. This meal specifically takes 40 minutes to cook, which is so quick. Everything's in here for me. I'm so excited. And if you guys are looking to find recipes super easily every week and have all the ingredients sent to your door, I would definitely check out HelloFresh. They make life so much easier. HelloFresh makes living healthy easier with many low-cal, carb-smart, vegetarian, and pescatarian options. Plus, every recipe is packed with fresh produce sourced directly from farms. Like I said, HelloFresh cuts out stressful meal planning and prepping, so you can enjoy cooking and getting it on the table in 30 minutes or even 20 minutes with the quick and easy options. You don't have to worry about thinking of a recipe, getting it all prepped out, going to the grocery store, getting everything you need, cooking it, all of that work. It's all right here. We have pre-portioned food, so there's less prep for you and less waste of food. And their packaging is made up of recyclable or already recycled content, so it is really sustainable, which is super important and awesome. I personally love HelloFresh just because it saves times when I don't feel like thinking of a meal and going to the grocery store. It's super helpful, and it introduces me to so many new foods and meals and on how to season things and cook really and truly, because I am still learning. And I have a code for you guys to use on HelloFresh. Just go to HelloFresh.com and use my code MESSLER14 for 14 free meals and free shipping. That's a really good deal. You should definitely check it out if you're curious about HelloFresh and what they have to offer. Again, go to HelloFresh.com and use my code MESSLER14 for 14 free meals and free shipping. Definitely check it out because it's really awesome. I'm about to cook. This literally looks so good. I'm gonna show you guys. It looks so bomb. Like, oh, that looks so good. There's the picture of it. Here's all the ingredients in the packaging. Prep time, cook time. And then here's all the directions. It's so easy. It just literally tells you step by steps with pictures. So I'm so excited. We are gonna get right into cooking.
But it's true, I've been missing someone like you. I've had my share of the heartbreakers. Stop letting them in after the last faker. But somehow, gave it all to you. None of them good enough to keep around. Probably why I don't let go down. But somehow, gave it all to you. Hard to read when I'm in my feelings. Basically, yeah, that's all.
out of 10?
9.9.
9.9? Where's that one little point?
Too hot.
It just came out of the oven. It's really good. The meatloaf I was not expecting to really like that much, but it doesn't taste like your basic meatloaf. It's very delish.
Very what?
10 out of 10, oh my gosh. Even the spaghetti's really good.
What the?
So good. He finished his whole plate. There's his empty plate. I'm still working on mine. He now rates it to 10 out of 10. I was filming on my phone because my SD card ran out of space, so I just had to clear that. He's watching football. I'm eating. Oakley's in the basket. Life is what?
The best.
You're so handsome. You are. You're so handsome. So handsome. You are so handsome. Look at me. Hi, handsome boy. What are you doing? This bed's looking so cozy, but we're about to take Oakley boy outside. Yeah. You wanna go outside and go potty? You wanna go outside and go potty? Let's go. Let's go. We just came in from walking Oakley and I'm tired. It's really late. So now I'm gonna shower and chill basically for the rest of the night. What's the issue, dude? Yeah, I'm gonna shower, get ready for bed.
Cliche, but it's true. I see someone like you. No sweet words could ever do justice to explain what you mean to
What are you
me.
doing?
Oh,
I know, Vivian. Oh, it's the next morning. I didn't even film after. That was like the most dramatic yawn ever. I did not film after dinner or after we went on a walk. We went to bed and I went to sleep, but yeah. I'd show you guys if my camera will stay my night routine. So I sit into the bed, I take my birth control. So I take this, okay? And then I yeet this pillow off the bed and then I grab my sleeping pillow and I go like this. And then I lay down. I got my nails done yesterday. Cute. Okay. But I hope you guys enjoyed my chill night routine. There's not much to it. It's very chill, very relaxed. Not super productive, but some nights need to be like that. He's yawning very loud. This is every morning. He's like, ah. So, yeah, but I really hope you guys enjoyed. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.